Hi everybody, I'm so excited. I'm here to show you guys this box that I got from Melodysusie. I am reviewing it and I really appreciate doing business with them. To tell you the truth, they are really good quality permanent gel polishes. It comes with a 20% off your next purchase and instructions. And these are the beautiful colors. This is a matte top coat. This one is super cute. It's my favorite one. G147. It looks like this. Look at that. And that's the number. They are highly pigmented. I love them. I really love them. This is my other favorite one. G054. Okay, and I also have a discount code in case you guys want to go ahead and place an order. It's Cynthia 12, so just in case you guys want to place an order, this is 1284. Let me show you the other one. 1263. Oh my god, they are all super cute. I really recommend you. They are highly pigmented and I am excited. 1093. I'm excited for these new colors that I got for my clients. 063. I love this color. It's so springy. This pink is adorable. 694. So yeah, I'll be leaving you guys the link of this kit in case you want to order it for $66. Look at this red, super cute. So I'll be leaving you guys the link in my description box and also the discount code, and I hope you guys like it and try them. You guys are gonna love them. The colors are super cute.